Hey everyone, I'm Shaun Ritchie and I'm the CTO of Meritum Cloud. Welcome to my third video from our Tech Talk series. Today I want to talk about disaster recovery. It's a topic we covered in a webinar with Africa risk managers just before Christmas. And today I'll dig deeper into some of the cloud-based solutions that can help your organization respond better in disasters. Azure Site Recovery, or ASR, is a replication and DR orchestration technology that greatly reduces your RTO and RPOs and massively simplifies your DR failover and DR testing. Recovery time objective, or RTO, is the time it takes you to get a system back after a failure, and the recovery point objective, or RPO, is what's considered an acceptable loss of data after system recovery, and this is measured in time. So in general, lower RTOs and RPOs are better, but you need to understand what is acceptable for your business. And as you can imagine, the DR technology you use will directly affect your RTO and RPO. So if you're backing up to tape, your RTO will be affected by how quickly you can retrieve the tapes and restore your data, and your RPO by how often you perform your backups. So Azure Site Recovery replicates virtual and even physical servers to Azure, and in the case of a disaster you can spin your servers up in Azure at the click of a button. ASR replicates continuously for VMware and every 30 seconds for Hyper-V. This means businesses of any size can now have RTOs and RPOs previously only available to enterprise scale businesses, and certainly are not achievable with legacy backup technologies. ASR is application aware, making sure applications and databases will not start in a corrupted state after failover. Recovery plans allow you to fail over sets of servers automatically and bring them up in the correct order. And you can even run custom scripts or actions. DR orchestration, as it's known, lowers your RTO by bringing applications up in a working state automatically after failover. Testing disaster recovery has always been a challenge in the past because it's time and resource intensive, and this is why many smaller businesses never actually test their DR technology. With ASR, you can fail over systems to isolated environments in the cloud and test if everything works without affecting production. This means you can now test your DR plan as often as you like. Of course, it's important to back up your data even if you're replicating to the cloud with ASR. And for this, we have Azure Backup. Having backups will protect your business against things like corruption and ransomware, and are required for compliance and regulatory purposes. In terms of pricing, Azure Site Recovery is free for 31 days and then costs around £18 per server per month plus the storage costs. Customers only pay for virtual machines when they're failed over and running in Azure. Azure Backup starts at £4 per server per month plus the storage costs, of course. As you can see, Azure Site Recovery combined with Azure Backup is an excellent set of tools to replace your legacy DR technologies, and it's very competitively priced compared to having an extended business outage or not being able to recover your systems at all. So thanks for taking the time to watch this Tech Talk, and keep an eye out for the next video.